In this question here, we're asked to find the largest angle in the triangle. So from our knowledge, we know it's a scalene. All the sides have a different length. We do not know any of the angles as it stands. So let's identify the sides. First, we've got angle A up the top here. So opposite angle A, we would have side A, lowercase. Opposite B, we would have side B, and opposite C, going through to the opposite, we would have side C. So in this case, the longest side would be A. So it would be greater than the next biggest side, which would be C, and it would be bigger than B. So that's the order in which the sides are. A is the biggest, C is the middle, and B is the smallest at 6. Because of that, the angles are in the same order. So angle A is going to be bigger than angle C, which will be bigger than angle B. Now, because of that, A being bigger than C and C being bigger than B, then A must be bigger than B as well, obviously. So angle A is our angle we've got to find. It'll be the largest angle. So if we write down what we've got again, we've got angle A, angle B, angle C. This is what we're going to try and find. A, B, and C. We've got A is equal to 8, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 7. We are going to use either sine rule or cosine rule. Now, to use the sine rule, we need to have a side and an angle opposite. We need to have a complete pair, if you like, but we don't. We don't have that one, we don't have that one, we don't have that one. We're trying to find this. So we're not going to use the sine rule, so we'll go back to our cosine rule. Now, the cosine rule, we normally have, it involves the two sides and the angle in between, but we have the two sides, but we don't have the angle in between. But we do have the other side. So that will allow us to work out the angle in between. So we want to find out A. So we'll use A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A. We've got A, we've got B, we've got C. This is our unknown. So we've only got one unknown there, so we should be able to solve it. So what's A is 8, so 8 squared equals B, which is 6 squared, plus C is 7 squared minus 2 times 6 times 7 cos of A. Is equal to, and if we work out, we've got 64, 36 plus 49 minus 84 cos A. So what we can do is to say that, righto, we can add those two together and then take them away from 64, take them over the other side, and we get negative 21 equals negative 84 cos of A. So add those two together, then take that amount from both sides and you get negative 21 equals that. We want to get cos A by itself, so we'll divide this side by negative 84. Whatever you do to one side, you divide to the other. That will allow us to have cos A equals negative divided by negative is a positive, so positive 0.25. 21 divided by 84 is a quarter, which is 0.25. So that is the cos of A. So if A is the angle whose cos is, and that's why we write that, of 0.25, or you could have put 1 over 4 there. And if we put that in our calculator, shift cos, it'll open the bracket, put 1 divided by 4, or 0.25, close bracket, and we'll get 75.52 degrees. So we're expecting that to be the largest angle. We can validate that. Having worked out 75.52, now we've got an angle and the side opposite, so it would be easy for us now we could use the sine rule to work out B, or we could use A over sine A to work out angle C as well. So once you get an angle and its side opposite, then you can use sine rule to work out the others. So if we had to work out the whole lot, the other two angles, well, you'd only have to use it once more, and then you could take the two angles away from 180 to find the third angle. So here we're only asked to find the largest angle. We worked out that it'd have to be angle A, and that's 75.52.